Hi and welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I have a hair tutorial for you, and this company actually reached out to me. Their name is Lacer Hair, and they wanted me to try out their Afro Kinky Curly clip-ins, and I was super excited because I was able to choose like a shorter length. The previous clip-in videos that I've done have been longer, so this one I got the 12-inch clip-ins, and I just wanted to show you guys like what you could do with them. So if you're interested, stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's hop into it. Oh, don't mind me. I was just amazed at how long my hair was looking that day, so I just had to show it off to you guys. But we'll hop into the actual video in just a second. So here's the box that it comes in, and what's included are your clip-ins as well as some eyelashes and some additional wig clips in case you need to replace any of the ones it comes with. So what it comes with is one single, 3 doubles, and then 2 triples, and one that has 4 combs on it. So since the company only sent me 1 pack of clip-ins, I'm just doing like a quick and easy, simple hairstyle that doesn't require a lot of hair. So as you guys have seen me do in previous clip-in videos, I like to put my hair in a bun and then place the clips on top of my hair that's in the bun, and I leave just a little bit of hair out for the leave out to cover up the last weft, and that's what I'm doing here today. And what I will say about this hair is that it is nice and soft. I wasn't sure because, you know, some kinky curly hair is not always soft and it's hard to like run your fingers through it just because it is curly hair. But I will say like this hair is super soft. It has a nice curl pattern, and I didn't experience much shedding or tangling. So far, so good. So I am just going to take out my leave out and just kind of fluff it out and hide the last weft. I just finished washing my hair, so my hair is not dry. So it'll be able to dry and kind of shrink up to the length of the clip-ins, because the clip-ins are only the 12-inch clip-ins and my hair is much longer than that. So I purposefully wanted it to, shrink up so that it wouldn't look that drastic in length. So I think it's fine the way it turned out, but I definitely like how it blends. I would have done my normal blending technique where I take the 2 strands of my hair and a strand of the clip-in hair and 2 strand twist them together at the base. But since my hair is much longer than the clip-ins, I opted not to do that technique. So I am just fluffing out the hair and pulling some of the clip-in curls apart just to give it more of a natural and realistic look. But you can, of course, fluff yours out as much as you want or as little as you want. And here's what the back looks like. And here's the final look. Alright, so what did you guys think of this tutorial? It's a super quick and easy hairstyle. It's fun. It's kind of, a vintage look, that Spice Girl look, but it's super quick, super easy. Just, put your hair into 2 buns on the top, or you could do just a top knot, just 1 bun, and, put your clip-ins in and blend your hair. That's pretty much it. I love the length of these. The hair is pretty soft. I wasn't sure when I took it straight out the pack because the look of it was like, oh my gosh, is this gonna be rough? But it actually is soft. I haven't experienced any tangling or anything like that as of right now. no shedding or anything like that either. So I would definitely recommend these clip-ins. You would definitely, if you're trying to do the full head, you're gonna need at least 2, but I would highly recommend 3 sets of clip-ins if you're trying to do your full head. If you're going with a longer length, like 18 inches or longer, you're definitely gonna need at least 3. But if you're doing the 12-inch ones, then you can get away with probably 2, just depending on the size of your head. To be on the safe side, I would definitely recommend 3 sets of clip-ins because that would be sufficient. But drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this video. If you want to see more looks, let me know that as well. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.